Welcome back to the channel. This is part 4 in the progress of the replacement sound card to the LGB Bernina 21390 using an iMotion Massoth XLS sound card. So what we had originally was the old Bernina unit which had the LGB sound card in it, and that burnt out. And the reason that it burnt out was quite possibly that the setup to run two trains in tandem was not correct from what we believe. So now that we've been able to do that, I've identified all of the cab cabling in there, and I've also been able to identify everything here. So even with the black wires, we know that the inner two are the track and the outer two are the motor. But we need to make sure that they're in the right connection phase when you use an interface connector. So what I did was I dismantled everything, removed all of the gearboxes, cabling, cleaned it all, re-greased it all, cleaned all of the contacts and the brushes, reassembled it all, and then I did a full bench test on here showing the voltages in the full power range from 0 to 24 volts. Everything really worked quite well, and the next job was to put it onto the track in the chassis mode to see whether we could get it working. And all I wanted to do was to have the main power, track and motor connections done, and the speaker. What I had to do with the speaker was to take off the old plug, and I've then resoldered it on with little tiny heat shrink leads so that we can reuse that. So I did a test on that already yesterday, and it was very difficult because what we found was there was a conflict with another engine, and that actually happens to be this one up here with the channel 3. So I had to then delete the old one before the new one would be recognised. So what then happened was I had to download all of the manuals, some more manuals to do it, and go through it step by step so that I could do it. We had success. We've now got this identified, and I'm now going to put this on the track and show you how it's working in the chassis based mode. The next thing that I will have to do will be to identify all of the lighting on the outputs to make sure that they're all 5 volt, because our car and cab are all 5 volt lights. What I might do is to put some little LEDs in with some resistors and put them on the various contacts in order that we can switch them on and switch them off and see them checked. I will also use a voltmeter, of course, to check all that. But the final stages are getting close. We then need to start to reassemble it and then put it on the track for a final test. So well done. It's been a good exercise.
Gleis 2 der Bernina Express nach Chur, Abfahrt 8:22 Uhr.
So okay, we've got, you can see the train just moving forward there, or in reverse in actual fact, that's backwards, and then we've got the train coming back forward again, and we've got it set to 28 steps, which is really quite nice. So let's put some sound on. Really nice whistle. It sounds like it's in the Swiss Alps. And those are the functions right up through to 9, and then we'll functions 9 through to 16.
So there you have it. Progress has been really good. All we need to do now is identify all of the lighting, finalise connections on that one, prove it working finally, reassemble the whole car and assemble all of the bits and pieces that we have to make it a really pretty, beautiful working model. So thanks for watching. Congratulations for making it to the end yet again. And I think I have 12 subscribers now. Not bad.